When you think of olive oil, you probably think of salads or sautéed veggies. But did you know that olive oil holds hidden powers that go far beyond your kitchen? Now, let's be real. Many people reach for vegetable oils, sunflower oil, or even butter when they fry their eggs or cook a quick meal. But what if I told you that ditching those unhealthy oils and switching to olive oil could be one of the best health decisions you make? Unlike refined oils that are loaded with unhealthy fats, olive oil, especially extra virgin olive oil, is packed with heart-healthy fats and antioxidants. That means while other oils could be clogging your arteries and raising your cholesterol, olive oil is actively working to protect your heart and keep your body functioning at its best. Not only does olive oil offer protection, but it also handles high heat better than you might think, making it a fantastic option for frying eggs, sautéing vegetables, or cooking your favorite dishes. Plus, every drop you use helps unlock benefits like improved brain health, better digestion, and glowing skin. All things you won't get from your average cooking oil. Now, before we dive into the incredible health benefits of olive oil, let's take a moment to understand why it's been held in such high regard for centuries. It's not just a trendy kitchen staple. There's a rich history behind this golden oil that explains why it's so powerful for your health. Olive oil isn't just another cooking ingredient. It's been a staple in Mediterranean diets for thousands of years, and for good reason. The Mediterranean diet, known for its heart-healthy properties, owes much of its success to the generous use of olive oil. But while the benefits of olive oil are widely recognized in some parts of the world, many people still overlook its true potential. When it comes to choosing the healthiest type of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil stands out. It's the purest form, extracted without chemicals or excessive heat, which preserves its powerful nutrients and antioxidants. That's why extra virgin olive oil benefits go far beyond just cooking. It can help lower inflammation, improve heart health, and even boost your brain power. By choosing extra virgin olive oil over processed oils, you're opting for a natural product that hasn't been stripped of its health-boosting qualities. Other oils, particularly refined vegetable oils, undergo heavy processing that leaves them loaded with unhealthy fats. So when you're cooking your next meal, whether it's frying eggs or preparing a salad, extra virgin olive oil isn't just a tasty addition, it's an investment in your health. Now that we've got a bit of background on olive oil and its origins, let's get to the good stuff, the benefits. You might be surprised to learn just how much of an impact this simple oil can have on your health. Here are 12 underrated olive oil health benefits that will make you want to use it more often. 1. Heart health. First and foremost, olive oil is a champion when it comes to heart health. Unlike saturated fats found in butter or processed oils, olive oil is loaded with monounsaturated fats. These are the good fats that help reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, while maintaining the good cholesterol, HDL. Research has shown that those who consume olive oil regularly are less likely to suffer from heart disease and may even prevent heart attacks. So, if you're looking for a simple way to keep your heart healthy, olive oil should be your go-to. 2. Brain health. Did you know that olive oil can actually benefit your brain? It's true. Olive oil contains powerful antioxidants like polyphenols, which help protect the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation, two major factors in neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Incorporating olive oil into your daily diet may reduce the risk of cognitive decline, helping you stay sharp as you age. Whether it's adding a drizzle to your salads or cooking with it, your brain will thank you. 3. Gut health. Your gut plays a massive role in your overall health, and olive oil is here to support it. Olive oil has natural anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe your digestive system and promote healthy gut bacteria. This can improve digestion and reduce the risk of conditions like bloating, constipation, and even more serious gut issues like inflammatory bowel disease, IBD. If you're looking to keep your digestive system running smoothly, olive oil can be a simple yet effective solution. 4. Hair health. If you're looking for a natural way to keep your hair shiny and strong, olive oil might be the answer. Its moisturizing properties help nourish the scalp and strengthen hair, reducing the risk of split ends and breakage. You can use it as a hair mask or even add a few drops to your regular shampoo. Olive oil has been used for centuries as a natural beauty treatment, and for good reason. It works. 5. Anti-inflammatory properties. Olive oil is packed with antioxidants, particularly oleocanthal, which acts similarly to ibuprofen in reducing inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to a variety of health conditions, including arthritis, heart disease, and even cancer. By incorporating olive oil into your diet, you can help reduce inflammation in your body naturally. So, whether you're adding it to your salads or cooking with it, olive oil is doing more than just making your food taste good. It's actively fighting inflammation. 6. Boosting immunity. Olive oil is also a great source of antioxidants like vitamin E, which play a crucial role in boosting your immune system. Regular consumption of olive oil can strengthen your body's defenses, making it easier to fight off infections and diseases. This is especially important in today's world, where maintaining a strong immune system is key. A drizzle of extra virgin olive oil in your meals could be the extra protection you need. 7. Bone health. Olive oil isn't just good for your heart and immune system, it can also support your bones. Studies have shown that people who consume olive oil have higher levels of osteocalcin, a protein that is essential for bone health. Olive oil also helps improve calcium absorption, making your bones stronger and reducing the risk of fractures as you age. So, by incorporating olive oil into your diet, you're helping to protect your bones for the long term. 8. Skin health. Olive oil's benefits don't stop at your internal health. It works wonders for your skin, too. Thanks to its high levels of antioxidants and healthy fats, olive oil can help moisturize your skin, reduce signs of aging, and even protect against sun damage. You can apply it directly to your skin or consume it in your diet to enjoy its anti-aging and skin-nourishing properties. It's no wonder olive oil has been a beauty secret for centuries. 9. Weight management. Surprisingly, despite being a fat, olive oil can actually help with weight management. The healthy monounsaturated fats found in olive oil can increase feelings of fullness, reducing the urge to overeat. Plus, studies have shown that people who include olive oil in their diets are more likely to maintain a healthy weight over time. So instead of fearing fats, incorporating olive oil into your meals could actually support your weight goals. 10. Diabetes prevention. Olive oil has been shown to help reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes by improving insulin sensitivity. The healthy fats in olive oil slow down digestion, preventing spikes in blood sugar after meals. Incorporating olive oil into a balanced diet can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of developing diabetes over time. It's a simple addition to your diet with long-lasting benefits. 11. Garlic and olive oil combo. The combination of garlic and olive oil takes heart health and immunity to the next level. Garlic is known for its heart protective and immune-boosting properties, and when paired with olive oil, the two create a powerful synergy. This combination can lower blood pressure, reduce bad cholesterol, and strengthen your immune system. Whether you're cooking with them or using them in a salad dressing, garlic and olive oil together make a health-boosting powerhouse. 12. Unlocking olive oil's full potential. To truly reap the benefits of olive oil, it's essential to know how to use it properly. The best way to unlock olive oil's full potential is by using it raw, such as in dressings or drizzled over cooked dishes. While olive oil can tolerate moderate heat, cooking it at very high temperatures can reduce some of its health benefits. So, to get the most out of your olive oil, keep it at a low to moderate heat or enjoy it fresh. Now that we've explored 12 underrated health benefits of olive oil, it's easy to see why this liquid gold deserves a spot in your daily routine. From protecting your heart and brain to improving your gut health and boosting your immune system, olive oil is truly a versatile and powerful ingredient. And remember, choosing extra virgin olive oil and using it properly can unlock even more of its potential. If you found these olive oil health benefits surprising or helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more health-boosting tips. How do you use olive oil in your daily routine? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your favorite ways to incorporate it into your meals. And if you're curious about other superfoods that can transform your health, stay tuned for more videos coming your way. Thanks for watching, and remember, small changes like choosing olive oil over other oils can lead to big health improvements.